Hi, I'm Derek Bissen, and today we're going to be talking about FHA financing. FHA financing is typically fixed rate financing that is ideal for first-time homebuyers. And it's actually unique in that it's guaranteed by the federal government through the Federal Housing Authority, or FHA, which is a part of HUD, or the Department of Housing and Urban Development. It's a guaranteed loan that makes things a lot easier for homebuyers. So let's take a deeper dive real quick and let's learn a little bit more about what makes an FHA loan an FHA loan. Okay, with FHA loans, first you can expect fixed rate terms. The typical FHA loan is a 30-year fixed rate term. There are no prepayment penalties or early payoff fees. It can only be used to purchase an owner-occupied home only. In other words, you can't use it to buy a vacation home or an investment property. It's designed to build stronger communities, and that involves home ownership. Acceptable property types for an FHA loan include single-family homes, townhomes or villas, multifamily such as a duplex, triplex, etc., and in select cases, they can sometimes be used to purchase condominiums. Qualification is done by something we call traditional full doc, meaning that the income that we use to qualify your loan is based upon the income from your tax returns, W-2s, 1099s, pay stubs, and sometimes an employment verification from your employer. The minimum down payment for an FHA loan is 3.5% of the purchase price. Now, one of the things being an insured loan is that there is something called a mortgage insurance premium, or we refer to it as MIP. So there are two types of premiums on an FHA loan. First is an upfront, and then there's a monthly component. So the upfront is equivalent to 1.75% of the amount that you're financing. Now, don't worry, you don't have to come out of pocket with that. That's actually something that can be rolled into the new loan. Now, the second component of MIP is the monthly premium, and that applies regardless of your down payment when you purchase an FHA loan. That's going to be, in most cases, if you put down, say 3.5%, your MIP will be based on 0.85% of the financed amount, and that's you spread out over 12 months to derive a small amount into your monthly payment. The maximum loan amount in the state of Florida for most areas is $331,760. That's the most that you can finance in most areas of Florida. If you have interested party contributions, in other words, say a builder or a seller or even a real estate agent is donating money towards your closing cost, you can receive up to 6% of the sales price for this purpose. If you have a family member that wants to assist you, you can accept 100% of the down payment can actually come from a family member in the form of a gift. If that happens, we simply ask that you and the donor, your family member, fill out a gift letter, and then we document the transfer of funds. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, one of the more popular things these days is actually using a down payment assistance program. And generally speaking, FHA financing is the source for the first loan, and then the down payment assistance is used to cover the down payment and some, if not all, of the closing cost. Another one of the things about FHA loans that actually makes them rather unique is that they're not so sensitive to credit scores. If you have a less than perfect credit score, let's just say a 660, and that would be a credit score that you could get an FHA loan or a conventional loan. But if we were to consider the pricing on both of those, chances are you're going to come out with a much lower interest rate and a lower overall monthly payment with an FHA loan, because FHA loans are not very sensitive to credit score. Again, if you're making less than 20% down, usually FHA is the winner in most scenarios, unless your credit score is well over 700. With us, we always give the comparison to our clients and let you make the decision, but the numbers generally speak for themselves. So we hope you found that informative. If you like more information about FHA financing, check out the information area below. You're going to find a lot more information. And of course, if we can help you in any way, answer any questions, or if you just want to talk through your scenario, we'd love to help. So give us a call today, Thanks for watching and have a great day.